And amidst the festivities of the Christmas season morning in St. Anne, a police corporal was among 3 people killed in separate motor vehicle crashes over the past 24 hours in the Richmond area. More in this report. It's the last place this family expected to be on Christmas Eve, a hospital, patiently hoping their loved ones would survive a life-threatening motor vehicle crash. But their worst nightmare later became a reality.
Why, sad, very sad moment, because none of us was even expecting this.
The ordeal started around 8:15 Saturday night when the driver of a Toyota Axio was overtaking a line of traffic near the Plantation Smokehouse restaurant along the Landover Main Road in St. Anne and crashed into a black Nissan. The drivers and the passengers in both vehicles received major injuries and were taken to the St. Ansby Hospital for treatment. However, both passengers from each vehicle were later pronounced dead. They have been identified as Akeem Fulton and Police Corporal Compton Russell. The other victims are still being treated at hospital.
And only if you know that I passed the accident scene and didn't even realize it was him lying on the ground is when I passed the accident scene and my friend called me and said, I'm here something. I said, what are you here now? He said, may not even want to repeat it. Call some of your family member and find out what's going on. And that's when I did so. And to hear the sad news that my brother was in an accident and he passed away.
We have to mourn his death. He's a 21-year-old veteran and also from the Garden Parish itself. He'll be remembered as being a happy individual, team player, and a social individual. Today we say farewell to him, but we offer comfort to his family and community. As we continue our festive season, we ask the drivers to be more responsible and follow the road code.
But hours after the police made that appeal, there was another fatal crash in the area. Minutes to 2 o'clock Sunday morning, a Toyota motor car collided into a Subaru after it's alleged the Subaru made an illegal turn along the Richmond Main Road. One of the passengers in the Toyota motor car was pronounced dead at hospital. TVJ News was informed that the occupants of the Subaru fled the scene.